IC8. IC range was inspired by the Sorbetiera machine, with modern technology. IC5-8 is freestanding batch freezer with smart control panel. For medium to large batching gelato demand. Fits for those who desire to open a gelato shop, dessert shop, etc. Removable and flexible agitator blades touch the cylinder to obtain a consistent and homogeneous mixing. Thermal impermeable, non-adhesive, spring-loaded POM scrapers remain the cylinder clean and freeze evenly to give a beautiful gelato presentation. Vertical cylinder is convenient to check gelato making processing and easy to add further ingredients.